Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to Funnel Strike. This side Manu is speaking, and in this video we are going to discuss some very interesting things about GrooveFunnel. One of the GrooveFunnel member had asked in the community that uh, in order to make the changes according to the other devices, like if anyone is making the video on the computer or a laptop and they want to change the interface according to the mobile, like they want to optimize it according to the mobile. Okay, so what are the limitations we are getting right now, because as the software is still in the beta version. So let's go ahead and check this out. So you can see that I am already on the Facebook community group of the groove.cm, and in this community one of our member Shreya Soni has asked a question that hey everyone, I am building a funnel in Groove, as in I am making changes in my mobile version. It is still changing my setup in desktop version. I went through the YouTube tutorials and it says you have to off the button of the tabs over top. Still it says changes applied in mobile version, yet desktop setup is changing. Can anyone tell me how can I do it in correct way? Thanks in advance. So I have already replied for this question over here. If you can see in the bottom, I have already left my reply that hello Shreya, I was facing the same problem and I contacted to support team. Even I recorded a video and sent to them, and they said that we cannot change the place of any block or item. We can only be able to adjust the position according to devices. Hope this will help. So I'm just going to show this particular issue like live right now on this recording. So I thought that creating this particular video will definitely going to help a lot to lots of people in the community. Okay, so in the meantime, if you don't know me, so I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Manu Prasad. I'm from India and I have been practicing digital marketing from past 3 to 4 years, and I have already also started my YouTube channel by the name of Funnel Strike. If you don't know that, please go ahead and check this out on YouTube and follow me back. Thank you. So now let's go ahead, and I'm just going to open my Groove Platinum accounts dashboard so that we can able to go ahead and check this issue live, that how we can able to make the things adjusted in the same block area, so that it will also go ahead and look good in the mobile devices or other relative devices. So I'm just going to open my this is the one, the digital marketing platform. I was just working on it, so I'm not going to open that one because I don't want to make any changes with that, because it takes a little really lots of time to make the things working. So here you can see this is the page. All right, so this is the page which I was trying to make the changes and fixing the thing according to the mobile device. So let's go ahead and see over here that now when I am just going to check on the mobile option, if you can see to the top there we have the option that we can able to select the particular device on which how our website will look, how it is optimized. All right, although one thing I just want to tell you in between, that whatever the pages or landing pages or the website which is pre-designed from the groove.cm, it is already optimized for your all of the devices. All right, but if you are going ahead and designing the website according to you, it will go ahead and make some impact on that, and after that you might get little bit issues with your other devices. All right, so let's go ahead and see it now. So I'm just going to, first of all, I'm just going to turn off this button so that we can able to go ahead and see one after another all the devices, how the design looks like. So let's go ahead and see this page first of all entirely, that how this page looks like. Okay, so this is something that I have picked up a theme, a pre-designed theme from the Groove funnels, and I have made a little bit changes to that. I have not done much changes. I just wanted to talk about the problem which we are facing right now using the Groove pages or Groove funnel. Okay, so let's go ahead and see over here. I'm in the mobile device right now. Now you can see that the difference between the mobile device and the desktop device, that I have in the header area, I have the logo of the company, the pricing section, and the call now option, so that the people can go ahead and call on that number if they want any kind of services. Okay, so these are the three options which are coming to the top header. But if I go ahead and check to the mobile device, you can see that the logo of my company is not coming there, and in this particular section, because as we know, the area on the mobile device is really very small, so it's not possible for all these three things to come together in the mobile device. So what I guess the Shreya was trying to do, that she might be trying to change the position of some of the items in that particular header area, or maybe somewhere else. Okay, so let us go ahead and do that. Okay, so what I'm just going to do over here, that this call now option, this call now number, what I will do, I will change the position of that number to the bottom, so that my logo and my pricing will go ahead and come up to the front on the mobile device. Okay, and let's see what happened now. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just selecting this number. Okay, and I'm just going to pick up this particular box from where I can able to move that particular section. So I'm just going to move it and dropping it to the bottom. Okay, now you can see that I have dropped it to the bottom, but it's still the call now option is coming in 2 lines. So I'll go ahead and change it. I'm just going to change the text size, and it is showing 37 over here. Let's do it 27. All right, now you can see that it's coming in one single line. Okay, the entire, all the 10 digit number, the call now, and it really looks good over there according to the mobile device. Now my logo is still not coming completely, so I'm just going to make a little bit changes with my logo. So I'm just going to, okay, and no, I'm so sorry. So here in the spacing area, I'm just going to select that one, and I'm just going to take the margin to the negative, and this is how the logo looks. Okay, I understand it is still a little bit big, the pricing button and the logo. We can able to make it little bit small so that it will looks good on the mobile device. But now my vision is to show you that what actually the problem we are facing with. Okay, so let's get apart, and now you can see in the desktop version, I also wrote in green color InfoVision IT Services, which has the second block, which has gone to the under to the header. So let me go ahead and first of all make that one to come above. So I need to select the entire block first of all. Alright, now I need to again manage it from the spacing area. I'm just going to select the margin. Now you can see that. Alright, so what I have did 2 things over here, that I put the call now option to the bottom, so it looks good on the mobile device. I managed to bring my logo back on the header area. Okay, so this is something that I have did. Apart from that, I have also moved the second block little bit below, so that the entire things will look on the screen. Okay, now what we can do, the block which is selected right now, that we offer an unmatched level of support, so it doesn't looks good according to the margin. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use the middle one. So now it looks good. All right, so we'll keep it like this, and from here now let's go ahead and see that what actually happening with the laptop or desktop devices. Okay, so I'm just going to select the desktop devices now again, and here you can see that what changes we have got, that the call now option has gone down, and I believe that Shreya is also facing the same problem. So I just want to tell specifically all of those peoples that who are facing this problem that Grooves.cm has not came up with such kind of facility that we can able to make changes, the entire block changes according to the devices. Okay, we cannot make changes out of the box. All right, so I think that Groove needs to work on this so that the Groovester can get more convenience, more way to play with their website according to the devices. If you can see the other devices, the laptop device, again the call now option has gone down. On the tablet device the same thing happened, on the vertical tablet device the same thing happened, and on the phone it has already happened. So this is something that I just wanted to show over here. I hope that you guys might have understand this thing. So again, I just want to tell you that if you want to make any kind of changes with this particular kind of things, try to make it under the blog only. Let me go ahead and show you my another website where I was working. Okay, so I'm just going to the dashboard and how I have managed to do this with that website which is already running over there. So this is the one on which we are working already. It is already live. So let me go ahead and open it and show you. I'm so sorry, it is a little bit slow because I'm connected with the mobile hotspot right now. Let's go to the technical support one page, and now here this is the page, and I just want to show you with the mobile device. So you can see that what I have did, just as the things are not working according to us, so I have played with the size of the header icons or the options. Okay, I have made the logo a little bit smaller, I have made the pricing button a little bit smaller, and I have made the call now option a little bit smaller. I'm just going to show you with on my phone as well. I'm just going to open it on my phone and I'll show you that how it looks like. Okay, so it does look good. I hope that you can see that. I'm just moving the screen into the camera. Okay, now if you can see over here that logo is already also showing, the pricing button is also showing, and the call now number is also showing, and it is pretty much clear that if anybody is going to open my website's link on the phone, they can able to see that. But I would love that if Groove.cm will go ahead and make such kind of changes with the software internally, so that we can able to play out of the box, so that we can able to make such kind of changes out of the box as well. So this is something that you have to be very careful while working with the Groove, and I hope that they will definitely going to come out with some interesting things in the future. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions regarding the Groove funnels or Groove pages, feel free to ask me. I'll be available. Thank you very much. Bye bye.